So I want to quickly show you a fun tutorial on how to actually add emojis and brand them inside of Canva. So if you know anything about using emojis and designs, they can really make your content pop, especially on Instagram. But those emojis that you use like on your iPhone or even on your Android are copywritten. So when you like copy and paste them into here or add them into your Canva design, when you go to download them, it just shows them as a like gray X, like they're X'd out. You can't see them because those are copywritten by Apple and Android. So what you can do is you can actually come over into apps and you're going to search for emoji. You'll come over here and these are going to be very similar to the emojis that you're familiar with. You can obviously search for one. If I could maybe spell it, or let's do smile. And you can just like see all of the different emojis that you have access to now. So let's say that you're wanting to add one into your design. You would come over, click on it, and this is great. You could add this wherever you wanted, but let's kick it up a notch by kind of making it look a little bit more like our brand. So you would click on this here and you can begin to start to change the different colors of the emoji itself to make it feel a bit more branded, to make it match your design a little bit better, and just add a bit of personality to make it pop. So you can repeat this process with as many different designs as you want or as many different emojis as you want. And it's just a fun way to add a little bit something extra into your Canva designs.